In this video, I will show you how to write questionnaires in Microsoft Word document. So insert table and 5 by 5, select the table. Now table layout, make it 1 centimeter and select this middle. Select all and now make it 1 centimeter and middle. If you don't have the centimeter, so more options and advanced. Here select the centimeter as a unit, then click on OK. Now again make it 1 and center. Now make this line like this, make it big line. Now write the number here 1, 2, 4. You can make the rows as you need. Now here click on developer tab, checkbox and click on properties, change. Here select Windings 2 and select this checkbox, click on OK. Now select it, Control C and Control V. Same. Now here write your question. Select and in the home tab, make it left. Type here useful, very useful or useful and not useful. Type here please check appropriate column. Now you can select any column like this. Now select this table and in border select no border. Thanks for watching.